Hello, when you share a folder on network, so for example on this PC I have a folder named laptop shared which you need to share on a network so any laptop can access it. So how you can do it? You simply need to create a new folder and go to properties. Under sharing, click on share and share it. So once you access it from laptop, I am accessing the laptop from any desk. So once you access this, you get this inter network credentials. So many people, including myself, get confused what credential should be entered here. So in this section, you need to enter the username of this PC on laptop. So where to find the username, let me show you. Once you come back to the computer on which the main folder is that you shared on network, simply go into my computer's property, and here you see the device name. Simply copy that, go back to your laptop and paste it here, and enter the password if you have on your login screen. If you don't have, you can simply leave it blank and click on remember, click OK. So your folder, you can access the folder that you have shared on the network. So this was the quick video how you can share a folder on network and how you can find the username and how you can access it. Thank you.